Welcome back to the All Seasons channel. What are we doing today, Cameron?
Replacing an air conditioner.
What?
Upper unit.
An air conditioner? It's January. Why are we replacing an air conditioner in January?
I have no idea.
Well, I happen to have an idea. A gentleman called me in November, middle of November, said my air conditioner on my camper ain't working. I was like, well, at that time it was so cold. I said, well, we're gonna have to wait for a warmer day. So I got here. We finally caught a decent day in the mid 50s or something. Gosh, early December, and I came down, checked it out. Sure enough, the Freon leaked out of it. So it's under warranty, and got a hold of Dometic, and he's like, well, it'll be about 5 weeks before we get you an air conditioner. So here it is, middle January, and we're going to replace an air conditioner. And we just thought, since it's just such a nice day, that we'd take you guys and gals along while we change this thing in the frost and the yeah. But anyhow, we're going to get her done. So let's go. We're going to have some fun today. All right, here we go. Get this plastic cover off up here. That's way tighter than it needed to be. Alright, that'll expose our screws. I'll hold that. Oh, you know what? The plastic actually doesn't have to come off. We can actually get to all the bolts right here. So awesome. It's just got the four hold down bolts, just like every other RV air conditioner. This one just happens to be a Dometic. It is a Brisk Air, is a 13,500 BTU. Put her in high gear. Get these hold down bolts out, and there's number 4. I'm gonna have to climb up on the bed a little bit on my knees, so if I shake y'all up a little bit. Oh, I think we have a memory foam mattress, so didn't disturb you too much. Make sure tape from our air dam is loose. So that we can lift the upper unit off. And there we are. Very good. Let's see if I can push it up a little bit. Oh, stand over there. Oh, whew. She's a little stuck to the roof. Tape might be holding it a little bit. They kind of taped up on the gasket. I can't imagine it's stuck that well though. It might be. Reach there and push on that thing again. I got a little bit of that tape cut off. There we go. Is that tape? Huh. I wouldn't have thought. All right, we got her loose. It was that tape, aluminum tape. Let me show you. Try and show you. They use that aluminum tape up in here to block, you know, the air. What am I trying to say? Well, to insulate it and do direct airflow and They just had that had aluminum tape up on that gasket a little bit, and that's all it took. It stuck her pretty good. So just getting to get the upper unit unplugged here from the control box and get our freeze sensor out. That's that white wire. Ooh, that's that white wire right here. We need to get our freeze sensor out, and then we're ready to get this upper unit off of here. All right, got our ladder set up. Gonna put a towel up there just to protect the side of the camper, the gutter, and the roof as we're getting the air conditioners on and off. And yeah, I know you're not gonna be able to see up on the roof, but you'll be able to see me coming down. Just gonna go up there right now and get my towel laid out and get the old one coming off. Woo, it's frosty. I'll actually walk on this towel. It's frosty up here this morning. Whew, it is real frosty. Goodness gracious. That's just frost. That ain't snow. It's just frost. Whew. Probably trying to do this on my knees rather than try and stand up on this roof. I can't do that. Is there a rag in that bag? The roof's dirtier than I thought it was. Ooh, good one. Yeah, that roof's slick. I should have scheduled this for about an hour or two later today. That's all right. We'll make do. So I got that towel in on the roof, so I don't have to worry about scooting the air conditioner a little bit. Don't have to worry about we're damaging the roof. Ooh. Alright, so here's the new air conditioner. I like to leave them in the box until I get them up on the roof. That way I don't like turning an air conditioner upside down. So this way we slide up a ladder without damaging the new gasket and everything on the bottom of the air conditioner. We got our towel on the roof, so we don't have to worry about scooting that thing a little bit. Hopefully I wasn't rubbing on the mic too bad there, messing up the audio for you guys. Wrestle the new one out of the box, set it down on the towel, heave the box off. Now we're going to get the new air conditioner just positioned over the hole. Okay. All right, Cameron's inside. He says it's pretty close to being over the hole. It's no big deal to make minor adjustments from inside. It's just nice to get it pretty close from up here. All right, Now we're gonna go inside and finish up. So we got the new one on the roof. We haven't bolted it down yet. I just want to go over something with you real quick. Of course, it's a new air conditioner. So it comes with a warranty paper. It says it has a 2-year warranty. All right, a lot of people don't know this about warranties. This gentleman's purchase date was April 2019, I think. So this is January 2021. All right, so we just put a brand new roof air on this thing. A lot of people thinks, okay, great, I got a 2-year warranty on that. No, he's got the remainder of his original 2 years. So April of 2021, this new air is no longer under warranty. A lot of people don't understand that, and so your warranty doesn't start all over just because you replace a component. You've got the original warranty. So that's made people really upset with me a lot over the years, several times, because they just don't understand. It's not my policy. That's the people build the appliances. That's their policy. So just want to make you aware of that. Not everybody knows that. So we're gonna get our freeze sensor stuck back in. We're gonna get our upper unit plugged into our lower unit. We're gonna get our clamp bolts on. We'll probably put a little bit of aluminum tape up here, and this one will be wrapped up. So here we go. See that freeze sensor? Let me see, make sure it'll focus. See how it's kind of flat and sharp on the end? And those fins, they run up and down. So what we want to do is try to get that thing turned that way and get it in between 2 fins and then shove it in. You kind of shove it in, you know, like a 45-degree down angle, like that. And as long as you get that kind of worked in between 2 fins, it goes in pretty easily. I'm going to try and get video of this. I don't know if you're going to be able to see anything. No, you're not going to be able to see anything. Here's our wires to plug our upper unit into our control box. Get them out of the way. Get this freeze sensor put in. Yeah, you can't see. Let me see. Everything's in the way here. Yeah, I can see. So try and just shove that thing in there to where almost all of the black, well, not almost all the black, but almost all the rigid part is inside the coils. And if you're doing this, you'll understand what I'm talking about. I know you probably can't see. It's probably focusing on those other wires, but anyhow, that's what we did. I'm going to go ahead and plug this connector in because I forget that thing all the time. I go to test an air conditioner and I cut it on and I go, oh, it ain't working. Well, it's because I forgot to plug it in, dummy. Oh, well, it just gets me excited for a minute. And then I figure out what I did, and so, oh, you big dummy, you did it again. So let's get our 4 clamp bolts started. It'll also tell us for sure whether the air conditioner is positioned correctly over the hole. Because if we can't get 1 or 2 of our bolts in, then we might have to slide it around a little bit, make everything line up. Do yourself a favor when you're putting these bolts in, start them bad boys by hand. Might have to wiggle around a little bit. Might actually have to move the air conditioner a little bit. Let me look on this side. Try and get this bolt in over here. Yeah, if we slide that air conditioner over about a 1/4 inch, it'll make our life a lot easier, I believe. You guys fell over. What y'all doing? Y'all gotta keep up now. I can't watch y'all all the time. I've got work to do. When y'all fall over, you gotta holler. Say, hey, set us back up. We fell over. We can't see. That's all you gotta do. Just go slide that air conditioner over about a 1/4 inch. There we go. We got them all 4 started now. You thank Cameron for not letting y'all turn completely over that time. Y'all just, what's the matter with you guys? Just sit right there. Hold it right there. Okay. Just run them bolts up most of the way in high gear, and then we're going to put her in low gear. Which you just want to draw that gasket down, you know, a certain amount. You don't want to draw it completely down, because I mean you could smash it to, you know, crazy thin, but you don't want to do that. You want to save. I usually try and compress about half the gasket, and that way that leaves us some room in the future if, you know, the gasket shrinks and whatever, and we need to tighten that air conditioner up again. We've got a little bit of room to do that. So yeah, don't use up all your gasket all at once. For me, mostly it's just a feel thing. I've been doing this a long time, so I just tighten it down till it feels right. Of course, you DIYers, you may not have 25 years of experience to draw on, so you don't know what that feels like, but just compress the gasket between a third and a half. Don't get crazy on it. Probably actually closer to a third, okay? We are just going to use some aluminum tape. This is actually duct tape, D-U-C-T, duct tape. It's not D-U-C-K tape, it's D-U-C-T tape. And we're just going to, I'm going to have to just get up on the bed. That usually turns you guys over, so I'm going to cut this off. But we're just going to put this aluminum tape up there to block any air from moving between the inlet and the outlet, or the outlet and the inlet, and just make sure the ducts are taped off really well so we don't have any leaks up in the roof. And then we'll come back, test this thing, and I'll turn the camera back on. All right, we got this thing all buttoned up, except for putting the filter screens back in. So we're going to test this thing real quick. I believe I left the breaker on when I was here in December. Let's go to fan. We'll go to low. Can y'all see that? See if fan comes on. Yes, as you can hear, we have fan. Let's go to high. Anytime you do anything on Dometic thermostat, there's always a delay. Yep, we have high fan. Now it's way too cold today, I believe, for the compressor to come on. Let's go back to low. I think noisy, isn't it?
Yeah, it is.
Let's go to cool. It's on 55. See if we can tell if the compressor comes on. Actually, the compressor did come on. The heat's on in here, so I guess it's good enough to make the compressor come on. So we'll give it a minute here, see if it cools. Well, there you have it. There is replacing your air conditioner in January in West Virginia, where you don't need air conditioner. But I'd say come springtime, this gentleman will probably be glad to have his air conditioner working. So hey, that's all we got for today. As always, thanks for watching. Don't forget to give us the video a thumbs up. Check us out on Facebook, Patreon, all that stuff. Go down there and leave us a comment. And me and Cameron, we're going to go find something else to work on. And y'all have a fantastic day.